Our machines make blinds that you can find all over the world. We are a Czech engineering company built on tradition and quality. We offer comprehensive solutions for the production of both interior and exterior blinds, ranging from digital production control to technical solutions. And we are always there when our clients need us. ZEBR.cz. A personal approach is essential for us. That's why we tailor each job around a client's unique needs. Every machine, every service, and every client receives our devoted attention. We are creative and use that creativity to tackle any challenge we take on. Our state-of-the-art technology ensures cleanliness and eco-friendliness. Digitalization, virtual factory, and Industry 4.0 are already well-established parts of our production processes. Thanks to the virtual ZEBR cloud, from the comfort of their office, any client can evaluate the work of all our machines, assess options to increase performance, or immediately resolve a malfunction, all without interrupting production. Our job doesn't stop once a machine is sold either. We also provide service and spare parts all over the world. We entered the market in 1991. Our clients and customers have become our long-term partners and friends. ZEBR.cz. We jumpstart your innovations.